Hello everyone. It is a pleasure to be here. It's my first time to attend a GT conference. Today our topic, our study is related to effect of the piston cylinder clearance on mechanical losses and cooling capacity values. We studied it. We make this study with our colleague Atacan and me. I'm the only attendant here, Caglar. And firstly, it has been nearly 1 year we started to use GT Suite in our company. So we are new a little bit. And I would like to give some information about the company which I worked. It is Arcelik. It has 30 production plants globally. Some of them are in, for example, Pakistan, India, or Romania, Turkey, and we are manufacturing household appliances like washing machine and dryer, refrigerator, and etc. And we have company has 13 brand names. Maybe the most familiar in the Europe is Beko and Grundig. And there are nearly more than 45,000 people working in the company, and more than 2,000 people working in R&D centers. And Beko is known